Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to force restart or soft reset your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. To do that, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume up key at the same time and keep holding them up until the Nothing Phone logo appears on your device's screen, just like this. Then you can release both buttons and just wait until your device turns on again. And at this point, your device is forced restarted. This also clears your device's temporary memory, which will help out in cases your phone was lagging or if the display was frozen. So that's basically how you perform your forced restart operation. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.